then I want you to point at the star. See, you have a little bit of color at the bottom here. Is that from before?
Yes.
Is this your first time for short hair?
Yes.
Ever?
Yes. I just always straight hair.
Yeah. It's gonna look good. You've got nice hair for a short hairstyle and you're a pretty face. And the thing is with the glasses, it will also look nice with the glasses. You know.
Can my mother take a photo of me?
Yeah, of course you can.
Thank you.
Before we start?
Yes.
Right now?
And ongoing or...
Yeah, she can.
Yes, it's a moment.
Yeah, she must just not, she can stand here, just not in front of the video cameras, please.
Ate, ano mo muna? Password.
Just one. Just a little bit. I want the hair for 4 years so we can make it a little bit more romantic. Alright, let's do it.
This is it.
This is the start. You close your eyes for this first cut. Right. Is that good for you? Are you enjoying it? You're super happy, right? Your friends will know you're cutting your hair? Or was it a
No,
surprise?
it's a surprise.
It's surprising.
Yes.
Awesome. Nice, that's the way I would also do it. Yeah, really. You can It's gonna be like a Korean look, I think.
안녕. 안녕하세요.
Right, lost it. Does it feel lighter?
Yes.
Alrighty. That's good. I'm glad you guys are here early. Because as a hairdresser, it's always so difficult for us, you know, if we booked one appointment after the other and one person comes late, because then, you know, it just makes everybody late. The next person and the next person and the next person. Did you travel with the train?
Yes. Alarm.
LRT. So what is your favorite subject?
Mathematics.
Wow, yes. But you know, with mathematics, it's all about the right teacher, right?
Somehow.
Yeah, because when I was at school, I sort of struggled with mathematics as well. Because I think the teacher was sort of just mediocre, right? So when I went to varsity, I'm actually also a qualified engineer, believe it or not. I did engineering first. So when I studied engineering, I mean, I had a fantastic math teacher at varsity. So much so that in my first year of university, for the year, I got 100%
Wow.
for my year in mathematics. And it's not because I think I was good, I think just because we had a fantastic teacher. Where at school I used to struggle, you know. I mean, a lot of people now that I know that are studying is basically, you know, they're saying the same thing. You know, the teachers are so bad nowadays and lazy. You know, they just come in, they sit and they say to the guys, these are the books, these are the chapters,
Yes.
read them and self-study or whatever, you know. Well, I mean, you can't do that with maths and stuff, you know. You have to understand that subject first. All right, we're about halfway.